Hey there! Thank you for stopping by our channel, irun.ihike.icamp. So we are Jacqueline.
And I'm Joseph.
And we travel part-time around Ireland in our folding camper. So this week we're going to Dingle in County Kerry. Come with us for the crack.
Currently, we're staying in the Dingle Peninsula. So we're on the campsite in Dingle called Campbell Teach and Aragail. Hope my primary school teachers aren't watching this because that's my limited Irish. And we have to say we're having a good time here. Our campsite owner is extremely friendly, well up for the chat. A little bit more about the site here. It's a 10-minute drive from Dingle Town, which is that way, and typical Dingle Peninsula. It's beautiful drive out, and when you come in, of course, obviously you meet the owner and you have to have a great chat there because he's just really funny and friendly. The site itself has about 40 pitches, give or take, I think it is, and there's camper vans, there's caravans, there's tents and folding campers, and the facilities are brilliantly centrally located within the site, are spotless, 4 or 5 showers, same with toilets, and yeah, all facilities are good. Lovely clean site, can't fault it. Happy days. Now, nice cup of tea for you.
Aww, thank you, babes.
So, what are you planning for us while we're here in Dingle?
There's a really lovely beach beside the campsite here. It's called Bally David Beach. So I was thinking maybe if we get up early tomorrow morning and go down and maybe do an early morning swim in the sea. And then I have kayaking booked. And then I was doing a little bit of research with the Wild Atlantic Way, and there's a really gorgeous drive called the Conor Pass. So I was thinking maybe we could do that. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm on for the drive. Not sure about that swim in the morning now. You poor little toesies.
Oh, well, look it. Hey, I won't expect you to get in. I'll get it. Be a bit of fun. Let's do it. Morning, honey bunny. So, better find the dogs, huh? Ollie. Oh, there you are. So it's before 8 o'clock. What time is it? 7:58. And we are going down to the beach for a little dip with the doggies. And we have the beach to ourselves, it looks like. One of the most beautiful beaches. Look at that for a stretch. Easily a kilometre long. Water looks phenomenal.
This is for your back, not mine.
Yeah, it's very small, isn't it?
No, but I can't get into it. Come on, Ashley.
Wow! That's it! Good boy, Ollie. Good boy.
Sure.
Am I brave enough? Will I do it?
Go on.
I'm just like, oh, do you know it's the 1st of September?
Take it.
It's the 1st of September today. And it's very cold. Will I go in like...
Come on.
Will I go like to here?
Yeah.
It's cold. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it.
See you later, right? Don't get in trouble, I'm not going in for you.
Wish me luck.
We're waiting to see what will happen. She's mad in the head, lads, isn't she? You swimming? Are you swimming? Why? I know, you're doing well now, honey. Go across it. I'll meet you above the van. Van's way off over there. Me and Alfie are just being really brave here. Somebody's able to swim too. Look at this. Oh, you're the best boy, Oliver. Look at this.
Oh my lord!
She wouldn't let Ollie best her.
Oh. Water's cold. It's nice and salty though.
Ugh.
It's like ice cold.
You have no towel, would you have
I
it?
did it.
Oh, yeah.
We are on our way to go kayaking. Never been kayaking before, and hopefully it's kayaking, caves, and to see Fungi the dolphin, who is famous in Dingle. Never been kayaking, don't know what to expect. Don't even like open water. Oh, there it is. Excellent. But they're with the Irish Adventures Company. That's who we're going kayaking with. Ooh, a little bit nervous, but really, really excited. Tell you how I got on. I love a nice breakfast after a good run. Joe mentioned earlier about the Dingle Peninsula being part of the Wild Atlantic Way. But did you know? The Wild Atlantic Way is famous worldwide for being the longest coastal road at 2,500 kilometres. It stretches across 9 coastal counties from Donegal all the way down the west coast of Ireland. That's where we are now in Dingle, and all the way around to County Cork. Better get ready for the Conor Pass. See you there.
sweet, I don't worry about you. I just worry about me, so you better run, run. You don't know what I need. Take it down in 1, 2, 3. Phone is buzzing up, beep, beep. I don't care about you. I just care about me, so you better run, run. Take your pretty outfit and go. Show yourself right out of my zone. Now before I lose my control. Grass is always greener, you know. So I used to stand in it fall. Run back home to mama, let's go. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run away. Run away. Run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away.
Oh my god! There's a lake! Oh my lord! Oh, fuck! I did not expect that. Yeah, here, Ollie, Ollie. Oh my lord! Wow. I did not expect that. So we just climbed up this hill, not even that all that far. That's the top of it. And then we came across this. It's amazing. He's just so excited about everything, so he is. Oh my god, look at that water, honey. You could actually swim in there. Oh my lord. Is that?
Oh yeah, it is, yeah.
Is it really cold? Probably like Baltic. Oh, there you go, Ollie. Good boy. That's amazing. Wow. Huh?
Drink some with him.
It's just phenomenal. Wow. I did not expect this to be here.
We just knew some of the dip was coming from something to do there. Obviously we read the sign before we come up with it. But that would have ruined the surprise. to be
Yeah.
Sexy leg there.
The wind, say lads, it's fairly windy. But I would take about this me arse is fast enough, I have to fast and blow away. Look at that. I made it all the way. My own. Oh, paparazzi are here. Stalking me again. Taking videos of me because I have me sexy legs out.
There's the van. There's the van down there. It's the road we will be going to. And that's it from another viewpoint. That's the Conor Pass. Absolutely gorgeous. I lived here all my life in Ireland, and this is my first time I have ever done this. Crazy. Look at that for a mountain. Did not know that lake was there. Wowzers. So we've had a great time here in Dingle. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, and we're off to our next location. Join us. Come on for the crack.
Yeah. Come on. I need to get packing. I want to get more of this crack in. It's brilliant fun. Come with us.
Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell and tell all your friends about us. We would really, really enjoy it. We would really, really appreciate it. Can we do that again? We've really enjoyed our stay here in Dingle.
You're going to fuck with the battery a bit.
See you next time.
See you next time.